Hello, and welcome to another exciting video of Chemultiply. Today we are going to find out the number of columns, rows, and total number of cells in an Excel sheet. So, in order to find all the three, we need to find the total number of columns, which are these. In order to find the total number of columns, we select the formula. Columns returns the number of columns in an array. So our array starts from this point till the end. So our array will follow this whole row. So first row till the end of first row. And we have 16,384 columns. Similarly, we find out the number of rows using the formula with the array. This is our array from C1 till the last cell in the C column. So our array is C ratios. This is the total number of columns, and here we get the total number of cells in an Excel sheet. That is 17 billion. Hope you liked the video. Follow for more, and we'll come up with more videos. Thank you.